there is a resistor, right? The resistor R is a resistor. The potential difference is around 200 volt. They give potential difference between and the resistor value around 20 ohm. Around 20 ohm. How much a number of electrons? How many number of electrons? Right, flowing through in 1 second. In 1 second, that is the question. V is that. That means how many number of electrons are flowing in this potential? But V is equal to IR, is it not? This is V, correct? This is R. Now you have to calculate the current. V is equal to IR. V is equal to 200. Current, you don't know. Resistance is 20. This one is cancelled. Current is equal to 10 ampere. Current is charge per unit time, right? 10 ampere. Therefore, charge is n times electrons. N times electron by T equal to 10. Time is equal to 1 second, is it not? Therefore, n is equal to 10 into T by E. This is 1 second. Therefore, what? Number of electrons is equal to 10 into 1 by electronic charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Right? This is what it goes 10 to the power of 10 into 10 to the power of plus 19 by 1.6. If you substitute here, if you divide 10 by 1.6, this is the standard value, 6.25 into 10 to the power of 19 electrons is flowing in the conductor. This is the first sum. Easy, no? Second sum is that you remember this, an electron moving, electron in a moving in a beam as an aperture. In a beam is an aperture. Aperture means electrons are moving. This is an aperture. Of area is what? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. Electrons moving in a beam. That aperture of this is what? 2 into 10 to the power of, aperture means area. Now total number of electrons. Total number of electrons. Like how many number of electrons passing through is 6 into 10 to the power of 16 electrons are flowing out. Okay, what is the current? This is so many number of electrons flowing per second. It's flowing per second. What is the current? Current is equal to charge by time, number of electron per second. 1. T is equal to 1 second. Therefore, current is equal to N times E. N is what? 6 into 10 to the power of 16. E is what? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Right? Okay. The current, how much you get? 6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 minus 60 is minus 4. Right? Therefore, this is 9.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Understood, no? Therefore, current is equal to 9.6 milliampere. Now, if they ask you what is the current density? What is the current density? Current per unit area. Is it not? Current is how much? 9.6 into 10 to the power of milli means minus 3. Area is what? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. Therefore, what will happen? 9.6 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 6. That means 4.8. Can you follow? This is J, current density is equal to 4.8 10 to the power of 3. Current is what? Ampere. A is what? Per meter square. You understood? Current density are done. See, remember another problem. Current is also given by the formula NEA PD. Do you remember? Correct. N is number of electrons, or this is also called what? N is electron density. That is number of electron per unit volume. E is electronic charge, A is the area, V is drift velocity. Now they give if number of electron density, this is what electron density is 9.5 into 10 to the power of 28 meter cube. Electron density is given. Calculate the time taken. Calculate the time taken by electron to drift. Right? Calculate the time taken the electron to drift from one end of the wire, A, to other end of the wire. Wire of 4 meter length. The wire of length 4 meter. The area of cross section is given. What is the area of cross section? 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus how much? 6 meter cube. The area of cross section is given. Length also given. And carrying a current. What is the current? Current is equal to 4 ampere. Now what they are asking you to find? Find out the drift velocity. Drift velocity, time they are asking. Time. Therefore, you know this formula. Therefore, drift velocity is equal to what? I by NEA. Understood? Current is how much? Current is flowing, say 5 ampere. Current is equal to, say 5 ampere is flowing, say 5 ampere by N is number of electron per N is what? 9.5 10 to the power of 28, 9.5 into number of electron. E is what? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Area of aperture is what? Area of the area of cross section. Area of cross section. Suppose area of cross section they give 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. Area. Then what will write? Area now? 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Then drift velocity is equal to 5 divided by 9 into 9.5 into 1.8. 9 into 1. Again 1.6. Okay. Into what is this? 10 to the power of 28 minus 19 minus 19 minus 6. You understood how? Therefore, what you get? Drift velocity is equal to, if you simplify, in order to simplify, 5 divided by you will get drift velocity 0.182 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter per second. Drift velocity is this much after calculation. But drift velocity is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Now distance is what? 4 meter now from here to here. Distance is 4 meter. Velocity therefore 0.182 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to, distance is 4 meter. 4 meter. Then the time. Time is equal to 4 divided by 0.102 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It goes 4 into 10 to the power of 3. It is 0.102. Here, give that one now. How much value you are getting? Wait. Now, calculation here what? 4 divided by 0.102. 39 into 10 to the power of 3. 39.2. Right? Or 3.9. 2 into 10 to the power of 4 seconds. See, time is how big it is. 4 seconds means slowly it moves a lot. Drift velocity. 4 seconds. 10 to the power of 4 seconds. Now, tell me here. Finish now? Slowly it is going. Current very slow. This is called drift velocity this much. Then again I will do the next class is what resistance is directly proportional length inversely proportional to area of cross section. This type of problems, right? The resistance is equal to rho L by A. This I will do in the next class. Now whatever the problem I have done, just you go through once, 2-3 times, you work it out and try to do some other sum if it is possible. If you are not getting, leave it, don't worry.